Welcome to our plant. Today, I'll walk you through exactly how Red Bull is made, step by step. Be sure to subscribe for more behind-the-scenes videos like this.
Precision enters the process at the moment of harvest.
Volume and consistency are measured from the start.
Purity is controlled long before production begins. Purity is controlled long before production begins.
Balance matters even in invisible ingredients.
Everything waits in order before moving forward.
Control continues even before the road begins.
The journey toward transformation is underway.
Production ecosystems reveal themselves before entry.
The facility is built to handle precision at scale.
Movement shifts from road to system. Solids and liquids find their paths. The inner process is ready to begin.
The first wash removes what doesn't belong.
Nothing is wasted without purpose.
Human eyes confirm machine decisions.
Consistency is engineered step by step.
Balance is established before transformation.
Paths align before complexity increases. Preparation gives way to creation. Exact ratios define what comes next. Solids disappear into structure. Stability is locked through controlled heat. Identity enters without excess. Energy is measured, never guessed. Uniformity is engineered under force.
The formula waits for its final change.
The core is complete, ready to transform. Transformation begins under pressure. Gas is disciplined into structure.
Energy becomes effervescence.
Control preserves what was created.
Stability proves the system.
The product pauses, unchanged. Creation meets precision next.
Automation begins with disciplined motion.
Timing replaces randomness. Precision protects carbonation.
Accuracy is confirmed instantly. Closure prepares the final seal. Containment is locked in metal. Cleanliness follows automation.
Humans remain the system's conscience.
Traceability is written into every unit.
Imperfection is detected before it travels further.
Consistency is measured in grams. Order replaces individual movement.
Protection forms before grouping.
Individual units become a single product. Shape is locked by controlled heat. The finish holds under motion. Science measures what machines cannot see.
Standards govern every molecule.
Safety is the foundation of trust.
Human senses confirm engineered flavor. Approval marks the transition forward.
Imperfections are removed without pause.
Data guides every decision made.
Approval sends the product onward.
Order transforms individual packs into shipment units.
Storage protects freshness before delivery. The final step begins with readiness.
Transport resumes with packaged precision.
And this is how modern factories produce Red Bull from start to finish.